Welcome, in front of me is a Cubot R15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of this phone. And when you boot it up for the first time, you will be presented with the Hi There screen. So from here, simply select the language that you wish to use, which for me, I'm gonna stick with English, but if you wanna change it, simply tap on this button and find your language, and then tap on it once more to actually select it, and then choose Start. Next page, we have the insert SIM. Now this step is optional, so you don't have to do it right now if you don't want to. The moment you insert a SIM card, if you have some kind of pin on it, it will automatically pop up with the insert pin. If you don't, it will automatically start working, so this step is kind of useless. And then we have Wi-Fi connection. So here we can connect to Wi-Fi or skip it if we don't have any that we can connect to around us. Now, if you choose to skip it, you will lose the ability to, number one, log into your Google account and restore the device from the old backup that will be on the cloud, and also date and time won't be set automatically, and you'll have to do it yourself actually. So at this moment, yeah, the time zone and date is completely wrong. So I could just go around and basically select what I want. So there we go. And now it's still off by an hour. So let's make it 12:29. Okay, and now it's good. So from here, I'm gonna tap on next. And here we have Google services. So we have things like location scanning and you send user and diagnostic data. Now, location uses GPS tracking for apps, for instance, like Google Maps. So you get a correct route to your destination. Scanning scans for things like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, as you can see, so the device constantly looks for those. And then send user and diagnostic data. Basically, it gathers data on how you use the device and sends it to Google. Now, I'll mention for location, there are also apps which are super annoying. For instance, majority of the Xiaomi smart apps for like smart home appliances will just straight up not work without location, even though they have zero reason to have location. You're supposed to connect to them via Bluetooth. There is no reason for them to have location, but yeah, without them they won't work. So there are annoying apps that will literally require you to turn it on, otherwise they will just say, nah, I'm not working till you do. But anyway, you can disable basically all of them if you don't want it. So everything can be disabled, and later on it can be changed once you actually require whatever it is that you disabled here. So next page, now we can set up a fingerprint. Now by setting up a fingerprint, we'll also have an option to set, or not an option, but actually a requirement to set up PIN, pattern, or password. Now you don't have any way of having just a, for instance, fingerprint. You will always be required to set up a physical way of unlocking, and that'd be one of the three options here. Or you can simply go back and totally skip it if you don't want to protect your device at all. Now, if you choose to skip this, it will still give you a protect your phone by PIN, pattern, password only. But again, you can just tap on not now and skip anyway if you don't want to protect it at all. And that was loud. So once you tap on that, as you can see, the process of the setup will be completely finished and you can now use your device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.